how to record Messenger video calls on iPhone. So if you want to record your Messenger video calls on your iPhone, then what you need to do is open up your Messenger and then go with a video call. So open up your Messenger, go with the chat, any chat that you're comfortable with, and then go with the video or the audio call, which will be in the top. And once you're on your call, what you need to do is just go with your control center from the top. And here you will have screen recording option. In my case, I'm just screen recording right now. So you just need to simply go with the screen recorder, or you may also have an audio recorder as well, which might be on your applications. Search for recorder and you will find the application, which is recorder. You need to just simply go with record. And after recording, or once you've done with the recording, you need to go and tap on the same icon and you will finish your recording. While recording, you need to tap and hold on to your recording option. And as you can see that here on the bottom, you will have microphone section. So you just need to simply go and make sure that your microphone is turned on. Once your microphone is turned on, you can go back and then turn off your recording. That's how you can record your Messenger video calls on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.